In the small village of Greenwood, nestled at the edge of a vast, ancient forest known as the Whispering Woods, lived a curious young boy named Jamie. He was an adventurous soul, always drawn to the mysteries of the woods. The villagers often spoke in hushed tones about the woods, claiming they were enchanted. One bright, breezy afternoon, Jamie decided to explore deeper into the woods than he had ever gone before. As he wandered through the dense trees, a soft whisper seemed to float on the wind. It was so faint, Jamie thought he might be imagining things, until he heard it again, a gentle, pleading voice.
"Help us!"
Intrigued and a bit nervous, Jamie followed the whispers until he stumbled upon a clearing. To his amazement, a group of animals was gathered there: a wise old owl perched on a branch, a graceful deer, and a clever-looking fox.
"Who are you?"
Jamie asked in wonder.
"We are the guardians of the Whispering Woods, and we need your help."
The owl replied in a serene tone. The deer chimed in softly.
"The forest is sick. The trees are dying because too many have been cut down, and the streams are clogged with waste from the village."
Jamie felt a pang of sadness. He loved the forest and hated to see it in distress.
"What can I do to help?"
The fox said,
"Tell the people of Greenwood to care for the woods. Help them understand that this forest is alive and needs their respect."
Empowered by a newfound purpose, Jamie nodded. He spent the rest of the day learning from the animals, understanding more about the natural balance of the woods. Returning to Greenwood, Jamie started sharing his story. At first, people were skeptical, but Jamie's passion and the urgency in his voice convinced them to listen. He organized groups of villagers to clean the streams and plant new trees. He taught them how to use the forest's resources sustainably, ensuring no further harm came to it. As weeks turned into months, the Whispering Woods began to thrive again. The trees grew stronger, and the water in the streams cleared. The villagers noticed more birds singing, and the air felt fresher. Jamie continued to visit his animal friends in the woods, who were very grateful for his help. The woods no longer whispered of sadness and plea, but of joy and thanks. Moral of the story: when we take care of nature, nature takes care of us.